Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can become a driver in Just Eat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL couriers.just-eat.co.uk/application, which will lead you to this page. Simply press on apply here, and once you press it, you need to now sign up for being a driver. Now after you have filled in the details, press on the create account option and read the terms and conditions. Now simply type in your email address, your password and confirm your password, update your profile, then select your delivery zone. After you have submit selection to apply your front driving license, your back of the driving license, and then simply submit your business insurance document. So after this, you can end up in this page where you need to give your bank details. So you have filled it in, simply press on the continue button, then watch a video. Press on the next button and on I have my own bag if you have your own courier bag. Then submit the document by uploading your own courier bag photo. Now select the courier app and then download it in your respective device. So once your app has been successfully downloaded, you are on the final steps of being a driver, and finally after the video ends, you have been an official driver of the Just Eat app. So this is how you become a driver in Just Eat app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.